Hello everyone, this is Dr. N.Senthil Madasamy, Associate Professor Computer Science Engineering. Great pleasure for me to welcome you all for this session. In this session, topic to be covered is technology operations and technology configuration under domain of cybersecurity policy. At the end of Unit 1, the students will be able to describe the cybersecurity policy and evolution for the purpose of computer forensics. At the end of this session, the students will be able to understand the technology operation and the technology configuration and the domain of cybersecurity policy. In an effort to assist clients in complying with legal and regulatory information security requirements, the legal, accounting, and consulting professions have adopted standards for due diligence with respect to information security and recommended that the client's model processes around them. These were sometimes proprietary to the consulting firm, but were often based on published standards such as the National Institute of Standards and Technology (NIST), recommended security controls for Federal Information System, and their private sector counterparts, where the standard becomes the preferred mode of the operation for securing a technology environment. It will often be referred to as cybersecurity policy for technology operations and management. Whether these technology operations policies dictate simply that standards should be followed, or they customize the standard with specific roles and responsibilities for process execution within the computer operations organization. The scope of the policy will be limited to the management and operations of a well defined technology platform. It is sometimes even the case that the same organization will run multiple technology platforms, but their cybersecurity policy will apply only to a subset. This may be the case at a technology services provider who charges extra for security services. So, not all of their customers. The platforms will be covered by the security policy. By the strict definition of policy as a high-level management directive, these type of documents may not be considered by all security professionals to be policy at all. But the rarer processes are standards. Now I am going to talk about technology configuration because many technology operation standards are implemented using specialized security software and devices. Technology operators often refer to the standard specified technical configuration of these devices as security policy. These specifications have over the years been implemented by vendors and service providers who devised the technical configuration of computing devices that would allow the system administrators to claim compliance with the various standards. Vendor marketing literature present these technical configurations as policy in an effort to align their solution with the overall enterprise strategy. For example, our product allows you to automate your enterprise security policy similar to the use of word policy to refer to the operational processes and standards. This use of word policy does not correspond to management directives for security. Usually, this usage of the term policy will appear with an adjective for the device or technology that is configurable. For example, the words the firewall policies or Unix security policy indicate that the object is a set of technical configuration variables rather than a directive by high level management. The summary of this session, we learned technology operations and technology configuration under domain of cybersecurity policy. I mentioned references here. I hope you found this video is clear about the topic I lecture. Thank you and have a pleasant day.